Mercedes repair shops or repair shops in general. So I'm making this video just because I'm trying to help you guys do the best job you possibly can. You know, like Vito, my boy Vito, picking up some stuff nobody else will deal with, or else you know, or otherwise, you know, if you're running a repair shop and you want to do better, you know, might be a good.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to VITO'S Garage. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. In this video we're going to be doing the linkage maintenance, accelerator linkage maintenance on this 1981 Mercedes 300 SD. Actually works on a lot of 123s with these engines, OM617s and OM616 engines pretty much. So we're going to do that you know, I've done this procedure already before, but I don't know if I filmed it or not, so that's why this is an opportunity for me to film and show you guys how this is done. So let's get to it. You know, put some gloves on, or actually you shouldn't be putting gloves on because you're watching it, so you should be probably, you know, just sit, relax and sit on the couch, you know, grab some tea or something, and I'll show you guys how this procedure is done. Let's go. Das Beste oder nichts.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so as you can see, this accelerator linkage is all mechanical. There's a lot of, you know, ball joints right here that connect to, you know, the linkages get connected to all these kind of like ball type mechanisms. Okay, as you can see, I have some old grease over there, but I want to redo it. I want to take all these, pop these off, clean them up, and then put new grease on again. The most important thing when people make mistake when doing this procedure is when they actually forget about those that connector right there. And they actually forget about that because it's kind of hard to get to, but you're supposed to do that too. And also they forget about that guy right here, so let me show you. It's that ball joint right there, so that needs to be done. You can use like a wheel bearing grease or silicone paste, something. Yeah, that's pretty much the procedure. So I'm not gonna go through everything. I'm just gonna kind of show you how you pop these off carefully, and then clean, you know, one or two of these so you guys can see. So I'm gonna show you this one. So just grab a screwdriver and just carefully put it underneath, support this kinda, and then twist the screwdriver. There you go, and pops off, as you can see. And then now you can take a rag, clean rag, or you know, something, paper towel, and just anyways, back to this. So grab a paper towel, clean this up pretty well all the way around, right? And then this right here is gonna be hard to see if it's at an angle, but you can grab like a Q-tip and clean on the inside. And you can see, sometimes you can check how much play they have. This one has quite a bit of play, but I'm still gonna, you know, clean them up and re-grease them, so they're gonna be good for a while. I'm gonna be using this grease silicone paste. And what I'm gonna do is grab a little bit right here Or grab more than a little bit, I guess. Put it on nicely. Now it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge. You can put some inside right there too, like so. Now sometimes you can, sometimes you cannot pop these in easily. So let me try. I'm gonna try my hand with my hand. See if I can pop this on. Probably I won't be able to. Oh, I got lucky. Pop this in. Alright, now just kind of move it around. Alright, good. Should move smoothly. So that's pretty much the procedure, guys. That's how you do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it to all of them. Alright. And I'll show you the final results and how everything moves. Try to pop the bottom one now off. Just be really careful. There we go. Bottom one is off. Gonna get in there and clean it. It's kind of difficult to get to this one, the bottom one. We can do it. We will make it work. There's that bowl joint right there. Okay. Gotta put grease on it now and reattach it.
One eternity later.
There's some grease. So there it is. So now just move it around. Yep, perfect. So here's the linkage that connects to the this this end goes to the vacuum control valve, and this goes pretty deep down there, and it's connects to the injection pump. So you can see it's pretty gunked up like this right here. I don't know when was the last time it was taken off, because usually what happens is that when people do linkage maintenance, they get too lazy. Yes, they get too lazy, and they don't want to go ahead and go deeper down in there and take these linkages off and clean these linkages off. So that's what I'm currently doing right now. Let's clean this up, and yeah, I mean, I'm gonna do a test drive at the end, but it's probably not gonna do much. But I just know that this is not gonna cause any like seizure, or nothing's gonna seize. So here's that linkage I just showed you right there. It goes to the bottom. It goes to the bottom and then connects right here. So good. So these two hardest ones are good. I just have to get that one up there, and then these are pretty easy to do.
A few moments later.
Also, when doing this linkage maintenance, don't forget about the Bowden cable. So pop this Bowden cable off and clean it up, put new grease on. So I'm gonna clean this guy up. Alright, and the best tool to actually clean it from right there is a Q-tip. Actually works amazing. Clean it nicely. Next, when that's ready, apply some grease, both to this and that.
1 hour later.
Alright, once you're done with that, in order to pop this on, you might need to use the pliers and carefully, by supporting everything, install it. There you go. Now just kind of move this around, make sure it's all good. Now with the lubricant, I'm gonna spray that bushing right there. Okay. And then you can also do a couple of these right there, everywhere where it needs, where there's movement. And also, if you bumped any vacuum lines, put them back on. Final thing, after you're done with all this, make sure that this moves freely. Wow, this actually is a lot more free right now. Like, it moves pretty easily. Kind of felt like it was binding a little before, but it's all good. As you can see, make sure nothing comes off. Yeah, we're good. So that was it. Alright guys, so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching VITO'S Garage. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's a lot of videos coming up, and it should be fun. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one, and das Beste oder nichts.